Hello everybody, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Library. Have you ever been very serious? Or very silly? Well, today we are going to try to make a serious goose laugh. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading The Serious Goose, written and illustrated by Jimmy Kimball, published by Random House Children's Books, a division of Penguin Random House LLC, copyright 2019 by Jimmy Kimball. This is a serious goose. There is nothing silly about this goose. Do not even try to be silly around this goose. This goose will not smile at all. Not even if you put a chicken on her head. Nothing. Even if you were to dress this goose as a moose, zilch! Even if you order a pizza topped with delicious snails, no smile. This goose means business. Serious business. No one can make this goose smile. What's that you say? You think you can do it? Ha! You think you can make this goose smile? There's no way. There is no way you can make this goose smile. No one can. This is a no smiling goose. But go right ahead. Look in the mirror and give it a shot. Make funny faces. Let's see what you've got. Stick out your tongue and let your ears wiggle. Act like a monkey. This goose shall not giggle. Cluck like a chicken. Moo like a cow. Be doofy, be goofy, any way you know how. However you do it, it won't be enough. This goose isn't silly. This goose is too tough. See? I hate to say I told you so, but this is exactly what I knew would happen. Good try, though. You were very funny. Most geese would have laughed so hard eggs would be coming out. But not this goose. This goose will never, ever... Uh-oh. What is this? Something is happening to this goose. No, this can't be. Stop being so silly. This is a serious goose. Do not make the goose smile. Oh no, this is terrible. By the power vested in me by the order of serious geese and gooses, I hereby command you to stop amusing this goose. Wow! This goose is really giggling. This is not such a serious goose after all. In fact, this seems to be a silly goose. Thanks to you. You are a silly kid. Wolf. you'll be hearing from our attorneys. The end. And that was The Serious Goose. All right, everybody. Now, are you guys ready for a sing-along? We are going to be singing 5 Little Ducks. Can everybody count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. I think we're ready. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Sad mother duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back. Very good job, everybody. Excellent. Now you know how to count to 5. Awesome. There will be a link to that song in the description below. Also, there is a link in the description below to this paper plate Goose Craft. Although mine looks a little bit different than theirs because I have no feathers around the house. Sorry, excuse me. I have no feathers around the house, so I had to draw on my wing. But you use orange paint to do the beak, and you cut right along here and out through here and in and around through here in order to get your shape. And I just used a black marker for the eye and the wing. So you guys will be able to do that at home. Also, I have a Hoopla recommendation called Silly Shapes, and that is by Kim Mitzo Thompson and Karen Mitzo Hildebrand. All right, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.